Introduction khnamani yagulo ang saksak kisa introduce khaisena animong Abhijit Debbarma PhD Computer Science tabukang job khaitango khwayo DDMC College tini norok no joto norasuk borok kabang nogo yang belai khetong thokka tangai ingke ang agi nije student tongfro ang wansugui se maya IS ranani ba IS prepare khainani norok je wansugui phaikya half work is already done musung mani agi ang engineering background ni jefro class 12 pro afro IIT hnai kisa bumung khnaka tangka IIT ni form fill up khairaya abo sini bagaya ar sangmaya ab haiwan sugu form fill up khayano thangka nonetheless ang IIT no ulo PhD admission naikha aprumukha orja ang thangmaya ni tongmani abo hai kun kore ni thana no sungmani puya abo se starting point tini norokoro joton phaika IS college level tongpro same one sukmo IS abo an bagai aro sang menglak sachu sakno chikon khaimani so norok phaika tini kobangma hasalni student tongo employee tongo baksa job khaidutui it's a very good sign not the first step is already done. A well begun is half done. Singkhanayada. So, norok je pula step nakha. Tabuk unglok tau sunde. Because serenggani bini kuno time kere. Every phase in our life. Abo kaisa sereng muntong. Je kuno manai. Serenggani kuno negative toto. There is nothing negative in learning. Nang bono bangke use khai, aro positive negative tong mano. Tapi serenggani bini kuno negative kere. Caku paisang rom kha. Bonang bahike alu daranai, piaz daranai. That's a learning phase how to use knife. So there is nothing wrong in learning. Tangka nangap caku no bahike use khainai, bufru use khainai. That makes you bad or good. So learning is never wrong. You should learn. Through the every phase. Tinoro jotono civil service exam ba competitive examination bagai jotono aspirant. Sungjo civil service ungani. Sungjefe poriwo. Always remember, be specific. Be specific. Tintang purna, IS nibagi puri dong. No, you have to be specific. IS ni both chapter no puri dong, both subject, both category. You have to be very, very specific, and you should know what you are doing. Oh yade boy bus kango 2 gonta paikha. Ayang nok ni borok saitong tam saitong puri dong. Nang nije to saimia 2 hours like nang tam purikha sudang bahai. So don't be like that. You have to be very specific. Ang jefro student no class na obang ko ang kaisa sob somoy student no ani joli mo kaisa no not because they don't know. Student simia ani busanang puri furubo kasanang joliu bo maya aboya tangi singya azaga sang joliu puri furu ani busanang kutogo maya ni bagaya nang maya ka tangi singya angagi puri furu ani masong sembala borok saimia. That's a different story. Ang to tak phungimano ngi nang tangi singya. Same thing, a student no college rogoba opok masao nung maya khe ang no phurungnai tongo ang maya khang arrange khainai tongo tahe nung sungna to nangnai bile but what is happening sunglaya student life is the best life sungako joton salai why because we can make mistake and we can learn from that mistake nung tabu bo sungya mana tamba nung a topic saimalia abo tamong khana bahai bungtei kun saimalia nung sring saka lai thangka nung abo bahai keng na ba so actually IAS purinani ba competitive exam purinani abo kono kaisa alada just something very difficult kaisa preparation no normally nung jeibabe nini BA porina puru porio MA porina puru porio just follow the good habits of learning ang NITO phurungka kisa 2008 maybe anga puru phurungpuro NIT to mix fatani student kusuk gobang no tongo sini Tripurani student rok hangka ungklugo hangka fatarni phaine rok borkhe buskango normally am hangka asukja ang question syllabus ne start thake keno specially fatarni sini Tripurani fatarni student rok borgo sarobo boyong tongo sungsaimano kisa extra phurungde sini oron borokhe siring se as a wanting to know something extra, wanting to know what is there in the topic, as sense, phanya nangnai. Or kabangma tongo angbo jotono mano abo haya a teacher does not know everything. Onak somoy students sono onka I don't know. Okay, let me see it. So refer khayo ba ono jaga better understanding khayo on porengko. So no one is knowledgeable 100%. অনেক সময় এক ক্লাস খাইপুরো স্টুডেন্ট আরো কারেক্ট খাইও দ্যাটস আ ফ্যাক্ট আংখা বেবাক দ মানাইবা নংবো বেবাক মাইয়া যতন মাইয়া তাকে দ্য ওয়ান্টিং টু নো সুনজে তাম হনানি ওজে সোलोंनानै দিস হ্যাবিট কোনোদিন ড্রপ টা খাইবে দ্য মোমেন্ট ইউ স্টপ লার্নিং ইউ ক্যানট লার্ন এনিথিং এন্ড হোয়াট ইজ দ্য বেস্ট ওয়ে টু লার্ন sharing your knowledge. Again, school tonfro, maths was my favorite subject. Exam gana angkelo ani dol rok baksa obo bahike khai hine ana sungpai. Ani practice bonus hawisango. Nupok sungpake I bahike khai ek logen khaileka paika solve. Practice thang. So knowledge no share khai. Nung kaisa topic no mangkha tai kaisa borok kisa maya phonang khana ngkomo bahai ba or topic bahai discuss bono share khadi by sharing you are improving your own knowledge sung dano khulya diba nga da khul kan ta bugo exactly nung jepur share khayo nini brain te bogui khayo so don't be selfish tini sungkhayo orientation nor no orientation khaijani nor jotun siu nor puri khaija BA complete baksa MA complete baksa chakri khaitongo already you have certain fish nor already sringjak awon bising pano ta kisa sungmi tu khailai na sin srungmani bo jaga pherlai mung tongkha tabo nongna saka question khaidi never forget it. No, IAS ni bagai prepare khaine fine, TCS ni bagai prepare khaine fine, clerical job, as banking job, whatever. Question khaidi answer tong. No, jefru pano condition phaiga ba hai situation phaiga ngobono bujilia. Don't stop it. So next what I want to say is plan your work. Planning is very important. And never break takhari nini samungo romdi tina ang kisa pori nai nengkai plan khaidi je ang o saptaho this week I studied this particular topic up to this gobang asa planning khaina ya take small by small, step by step, plan it accordingly, and at the end of the day neng nijo sajung sakno judge khaidi ang je plan khaimani samung khainani obo tinani porina ko ba this week obo porina ko tomana po porikha you know where you are, you should know nung to tabuk obo hele je wo srairokno seng abcd phurungma hai you know everything, you should be able to evaluate your own self nung jodi sajung sakno jodi nang evaluate khaimaya then something is wrong, you have to change your strategy nang plan khaidi what any favorite subject bomo any kisa difficult subject bomo nangke accordingly nang adjust khaidi je oh this is a little difficult bang kisa bujina nei obo kisa problematic so give that your prime time sung puri mani kaisa prime time kridi baja sung one so goja phung robo puri khangka maybe more calm sin brain ta sharp tongo I can grasp it more properly abo hero one so go so take that time tangka planning khaya nam planning and evaluate your own work and again je phone problem ngo bujiango clarify it confusion ko dinota tongi if 1 plus 1 is 2 you should be confident it is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 jesa borokhono sapaiten you should be confident yes it is 2 onek somoy sungtamo tak sung poriu pori teacher khon kisa khorong gotoke sungka obo haidiba ngha nijen confusion thang don't be that nung asa kwbangma pura chapter asa kwbangma poriu ako kunphano bokhorwa haibiani se be specific nung bobo pori a jagao jate phaikangke any question it comes you are ready to answer it nini kaisa specialty tonga nang sung joto borok no joto subject ni expert that's not possible orang bising no kwbangma tongo je political science ngani favorite ba ang oke attempt khaimono bisi ang obo manu baksa ni history nai baksa ni geography baksa subject wise so nini favorite subject panang di ba favorite topic panang di choose that and make sure that azagangka o jagani phaikangkala awakang manse 100 on 100 so you have to categorize and be specific that's what I want to say specific sob somoy nang di so onek somoy normally kok sabe puro help khaya na help is a general term na what kind of help what help I'm gonna help khainai abo it's tang help so all preparation bo antina sak sak na IS ni prepare khayo no prepare khayo thik no ta kai ni time table asang na ekdom pura specific this particular point I'll clear today tahung dinota maya tong any question ask a resource available bujiga any topic internet is available aro yaka or resource person tongo norok youtube approach khaimano or kabangma borok tongo sung saimya ka sung saimanai borok no hunai but we make sure your doubts are clear so you should have this quality of learning and asking question and planning your work properly কোনোদিনও ব্রেক তারা যায় নিন সামুঙ্গ তিনি আছে পরিমালিয়া ফাইন তিনি আং chapter kaisa porimale topic kaisa porimale paragraph kaisa to poriman ble we are not that busy that we can't even spend half an hour asa to busy a blessing life hai da so don't give a break tini nogo program to fine adino nang half an hour sakang thuma pasadi compensate tini ang ajaga thana nango tini to bahai porise nai fine ni normal routine nang porimale ya normal routine nang tai 1 hour sakang pasadi that should be your determination break tarate because the moment you put a break tini kisa break khabo break phainai time dino break phainai last to tam kha nangu puilao pori dong mane abobo pokoi thanga tai sa zero sim start khaibe because your flow is hampered so of flow je to sini je kono samong ne don't disturb the flow কম বেশি মানো তিনানি সময় করে ফাইন I don't have time today let me study for half an hour 30 minutes is I think we can have nini normal hour jodi 2 hours per day ba 5 hours per day tongo onek shomoy onek problem we have lots of issues I can give 5 hours today fine just half an hour but don't break the flow because by doing all this you'll be only giving excuse to your own self don't give excuse and always have the habit of reading some learning koren phainaba reading habit karikhe you should always read anything what matters is you should read tamno porinane anything nini subject to nai no apart from that also read newspaper about the news ni babe you are already aspirant nang oro competitive exam ranai so I'll not tell read newspaper because that should be basic you should be already reading arang taitam sanatong ba up to not porina aboni pore phano you should read novels you should read stories just upon but just read have the habit of reading sini onek shomoy we have this we don't have this habit of reading poingan ikan selero just read you get ideas borok ni ideas boring phaiba ang tini kok sai tongo boring phai because I learned it somewhere I read it somewhere I got it it goes on everything cannot be video and audio so you should go inga tawung dino normi preparation babe inga audio video ba available it's like look YouTube thanga to you get hundreds of materials hundreds perhaps you'll be wondering asa kabang no boro ni sini porinai saismai abo song bazar thanga ke ko kamchel kaisa paina nei thango dogano no kha ekdom hundreds of kamchel jacket shirt tab bongno nanai sa problem thang it's exactly like that the informations are immense it's full you should know to choose that's why I said before be specific and know what you want to learn so I just want to ask why do you want to be IS or IPS or TCS or for that matter officer tangway why do you want to prepare get this into your head why do I want is it because of a pressure that my friends ani friend IS angkha angbong nai but TCS angkha nai is it because of that is it because my parents ani parents ana sai tangkha ei ongo hage ongo pori di akodi is it because of that no if the reason is that then you're in the wrong circle जों कलेज जरा होनबानो जे परिणाम सिंहा बुआबो फै साजांमान कटकजांमान परियो सो जरांखा फे ताबुक दंनो सावै ताइया ताबुक आंनो अब परि दिनै नों आंनि कक बाय परि खांका अब नि बखरगा ताइ हाबलिया बिकज you should know why you are doing that and why you want that tanggai nang engna mosung jefru nang engna mosung phayo then when you see yourself okay after few years I'll be in that position ang engna mosung bui samani bagaiya bui samani bagai jodi nang IAS ba competitive exam rana nayo ba nini dol ba kungo ba whatever mane nang musuya buini influence jodi nang tini IAS porikha ba TCS porikha jodi nang tini rana nai tongke tai koidin pore buino na sanai avatar de roi lap kore inke nang ding decision change sunguna use your own thinking power nang engna musungo kebuni bagaya sak ni bagai when you have that thinking a level of jefru wants to go ang engna musung then you can continue because see this study phase this is not a normal college exam syllabus gana syllabus of faika normally quite last 5 years pattern porikha pass hai nung thang it is not like that syllabus to thick no of competitive exam but the syllabus is so vast you can't even say born equation finding in saimyang thang some school college so limited you can guess somewhat but orane tum puya so awon dalai you have to plan it accordingly so ang tai norno asuk ungkulia norok phungni simi onek hasal ni phaika ani kekta kok no norok kisa one should be it will help you because IAS preparation is not easy first attempt khayana nang nogona nin dol masa clear khaika nang khailia there will be a drawback setback that does not mean you should be demotivated it should motivate you more tai hosono no oh ani dol mangkha congratulations I'm happy for him I'm happy for her I'm not jealous he got and I didn't get bo mangkhang maya haya that negative thinking should not be there but I'm happy are an dol ni bising khorch officer rengka tong thogia diba tawagan dol ni bising kabang officer dong je kono office thani an sinjak dong ang phone kaiba sunghoro ani kaisa problem thai isa help fayade sinijak unko so we should be happy when our friends when our anyone is in that post no we have here around 150 yeah 200 foreign missing to the 2% khorong jodi IAS angkha sengke jealous nai hari bong khang maya no we should be happy yes ani friends sengaro ekloge thanglai mani sengkok salai sini laijak bobon no help khainai obviously as much as possible so this kind of thing will be there you should not be setback tangdi ni dol man kha ba maya phar nang failing kha because this is a continuous process you may not crack the exam in the first attempt not even second attempt but always remember nini knowledge to komi able ning jasuk srungka asuk porikha nung porikha fe ko TCS was selecting liya amo bai kini ni knowledge komi da thang no perhaps you have become more experienced obo hayang mano nung maya takni ni experience ng tai corruption share khai bo ung thanga nung mano and you should be happy for that so it is not easy sing unko kha prepare kha kya taklai malia ha tongsidi no if you want to be then stick to it and move ahead IAS sing mai rakhaba TCS sing mai rakhaba clerical je kuno post mano combined exam tongo bank ongana whatever, it will help you. If nothing, nungku chakri malia, it will help you to be a better human being. ठीक है दिबा आसे पूरी आसे एटलीस्ट चाकरी में अपन आंग तो बहुत काम तो ना खाबले आई हैव बिकम नॉलेजेबल आणि फैमिली नांग तांखे उनको नानी अब आंग ता किसा काम साइमान थांगो सो लर्निंग इज नेवर ओबननर कनफाइन ता खाइदि जे आंग ओबो पूरी खांके आईएस संगनाय आईएस संग माले मानान परा बेकार नो इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट obviously I have an objective and your objective नंगाबो थाना बागै Sungka kaisa medium, sini through we will help you. You have to think, but it is not necessary you will reach there. Just keep on and try on, and hope one day you will succeed. And you should be happy. Kunu kerja to ang knowledgeable at least that is also something. So with all this word, namatai asat bor khaliya because more technical, how to do it, first-hand experience senior TCS officer or tongo sir, bo namatai bo clearly, practically tai bo buzogi khanarana, and just generally no sanabagai sang kisa kok samane, ano kahamke khanawoi. Ani kok no khnai tong bagai norong belake hambai norok jefupano preparation khaithane demotivate tang de one keep yourself with good friend circle and this is a very good friend circle because oro jottono musungnai dol competitive exam khainai dol orang bising norok dol kaham ga snamlai dol snamnani কোনো রং করে যতন সিনিলাইজি যতন তংদি বুফরো সাবো বজাগা সামনাং থাং সং সাইনিয়া বলে কাঞ্চনপুরনি দङ খয়নি দङ কৈলাসহরনি দङ আগরতলা হেজামারা गोबां বড় দङ সিনিলাইজি when you have a similar kind of friend circle na kok satoknani taisa subida ang thanai it will help you ningja tabok is ni kaisa topic no discuss khai dong ha nork ni bising ke norok kaisa relate khaimano you can debate but obo jodi kaisa group a jaga kono interest kori nung bobai a topic sai khkhna tokna ba bor khkhna tokjana no that's why you should have a very good friend circle that's very important always keep yourself surrounded by positive thinkers no demotivate khana yam dia you should be motivated and you should have a good friend circle. And the best thing to learn is to teach. Saimana bagai nini friend nang frengdi nang type saiman thanai. So with all this note, thank you very much, and I wish you all a very happy and successful career ahead. Thank you. Hambai.